Today I'm going to introduce you to 3 of the most popular cordless vacuums on Amazon. Are you still using a 10-year-old vacuum cleaner? Do you have to plug it in and drag it around every time you clean? Please switch to a cordless vacuum cleaner and avoid the stress of cleaning. Hello, this is Applayance. No matter how much you clean, doesn't it seem like everything gets dirty again the next day? Household dust needs to be cleaned up daily as it appears. The cleaning trend has changed. We no longer do big cleanings every weekend. Now either a robot vacuum cleans while you're away, or you can clean quickly and easily with a lightweight cordless vacuum. Today I'll share 3 key points to consider when choosing a cordless vacuum, and introduce some affordable and high-performance options. The most common concern for those considering a cordless vacuum cleaner is its suction power. Traditional corded vacuum cleaners are known for their powerful suction. They can pick up everything from small dust particles to large debris without any issue. However, every time you clean, you need to plug them in and drag the heavy vacuum around from room to room. Cordless vacuums have weaker suction than corded ones. Some of you might think so. This is why many hesitate to buy a cordless vacuum. Now, there are many cordless vacuums with strong suction power. To buy a cordless vacuum with good suction power, look for a model with high motor power. Products with less than 100 air watts might be cheaper, but can have weaker suction, which could be inconvenient. To avoid stress over suction power, I recommend buying a vacuum with at least 140 air watts of suction power.
Then how much should I spend on a cordless vacuum?
Some of you might wonder. It's fair to say that the price of a cordless vacuum is largely determined by its motor. Cheap models cannot use high-quality motors. Therefore, if you're considering buying a cordless vacuum, choose one that costs at least $150.
I just need a vacuum to replace my broken corded one.
Some of you might think so. Then I recommend the ELECTROLUX WELL Q7 for those looking for a cordless vacuum with suction power comparable to a corded one. With accumulated tech experience, this cordless vacuum cleaner is the masterpiece. There are 2 types of suction methods in the corded vacuum cleaners we commonly use. There is the dust canister suction method, which empties the dust canister, and the cyclone suction method, which separates dust using centrifugal force. This product uses the cyclone suction method to deliver strong suction power.
But doesn't cyclone suction produce a lot of fine dust?
Some of you might think so. This product features a sealed high-efficiency 5-stage filtration system to minimize fine dust. It can be used in both general cleaning mode and handheld mode. When cleaning the floor, use it in general cleaning mode. For surfaces like tables or sofas, a single touch converts it to handheld mode. If you have pets like dogs or cats, their fur might get tangled in the vacuum. This product includes a brush roll clean function. Even if hair or fur gets tangled in the nozzle, you can simply press a button with your foot to clear it without hassle. The LED light function allows you to clean dark areas, such as under stairs, brightly. This product has a self-standing function. Whether you need to step away briefly during cleaning or store the vacuum after use, you can place it anywhere without needing a stand.
But isn't the vacuum too heavy?
Some of you might think so. Although this product has some weight, it is easy to handle. Its weight is centered towards the bottom, reducing strain on your arms. The head movement is relatively smooth, making it easy to maneuver. So here's what I think. If you are looking for a trustworthy cordless vacuum to replace your corded one, you can find this product on Amazon for around $200. Consider this option. If you have ever used a vacuum cleaner, you will know. Cleaning already feels like a chore, and it is exhausting. When the vacuum cleaner is heavy, the effort doubles. Even if there are good brands, you might hesitate to buy them because of their weight. No matter how thoroughly you clean on weekends, if people live in the house, it will inevitably get dirty again the next day. Everyday dust, like hair or pet fur, needs to be cleaned up easily as it appears. If the vacuum is heavy, you have to battle with inconvenience every time you clean. In that case, try using a lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner. When the vacuum is light, you won't hesitate to clean and can quickly grab it and start cleaning.
Are there any both lightweight and cordless out there?
Some of you might wonder. Then here comes RONEAIR Bendable Wand. This product boasts a simple design and a lightweight build. If you've ever gone to a store to buy a vacuum cleaner, you might have felt that many of them are heavier than expected when you try lifting them. This product, however, weighs only 2.5 kilograms, making it feel light even when lifted with one hand. It's incredibly easy to maneuver around the house, and lifting it up and down the stairs is no problem at all. The lightweight build makes cleaning around furniture and in tight spaces a breeze. You can also get under tables and chairs effortlessly with the bendable wand. You've probably had to bend your arm awkwardly trying to push the vacuum under the bed or sofa. Now, let the RONEAIR do the bending for you. Switching to handheld mode is a breeze, perfect for upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. The dusting brush and crevice tool are super handy, and the vacuum's light weight makes it easy to handle for any cleaning task. The best part, your arms don't get tired even after extended cleaning sessions. What's more, with dual suction modes, you get up to 30 minutes of runtime. The LED battery display keeps you informed, and the built-in headlight on the floor nozzle helps you see in dark corners. Maintaining your vacuum after cleaning is also important. Emptying the dust cup is as simple as pressing a button. The large capacity means fewer trips to the trash, and the advanced filtration system is fantastic for trapping allergens. So here's what I think. If you're looking for a lightweight cordless vacuum around 2.5 kilograms, you can purchase it on Amazon for around $100. Consider giving this product a try. When buying home appliances, there's one thing you can't overlook. It's the warranty and support service. From consumables to minor repairs, you never know when or how issues might arise. For cordless vacuums, warranty and support are particularly important. If the motor, which is the key component of the vacuum, breaks down, you can't use it at all. If you're considering purchasing a cordless vacuum, check whether the product you're buying has good warranty coverage. It's crucial to buy a product that doesn't break down or have defects, but it's also important to have a product that won't stress you out if it does break down.
Then isn't there a product with a long warranty period and no defects?
Some of you might think so. For those of you worried about warranty and defects, I recommend the Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner. This product comes with a 2-year motor warranty. Most home appliances are hard to get serviced after just 1 year, and connecting with customer service can be difficult. However, this product guarantees a 2-year warranty on the motor. Moreover, since every unit is 100% inspected at the factory before shipping, the likelihood of receiving a defective product is very low. A long warranty reflects the company's confidence in the product's durability and fewer minor issues. I understand the warranty and support are good, but is the product's performance satisfactory? Some of you might think so. This product features an upright motorized nozzle with strong suction power, capable of quickly picking up everything from small to large particles. The 180-degree easy steer technology makes maneuvering around furniture so easy. Plus, the slim profile of the vacuum head lets you clean under tight spaces effortlessly. With a high-power battery, you get up to 48 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is more than enough for your daily cleaning needs. And the charging stand makes it feel neatly put away. Cleaning the vacuum itself is hassle-free with the brush roll clean feature. Just press a button, and it releases any stubborn hair and fibers from the brush. Furthermore, one of the best features is that it stands up on its own. No more leaning it against furniture or walls. Don't forget the LED lights on the nozzle, which highlight every bit of dust, hair, and dirt, even in dark corners. So here's what I think. If you're looking for a product with a price of around $160 that comes with great warranty and support and no worries about defects, consider this product. Stop struggling with heavy corded vacuum cleaners and improve your quality of life with a lightweight, powerful cordless vacuum. If you're looking for a reliable brand with strong suction, try the Electrolux WELL Q7. It will last long without losing suction power. For easy, everyday cleaning of household dust, get the lightweight and convenient RONEAIR Bendable wand with its flexible design for effortless use. If you want a product without worries about defects or breakdowns, choose the Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner with a 2-year warranty and extensive package. Use it stress-free. Today I shared 3 things to consider before buying a cordless vacuum and recommended 3 great products. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like. For your smart home appliance life, I'll bring even more useful information next time. It was Applayance. Stay tuned.